how to tell if there are worms that are eating your tomato plants. Guys, we are inside our greenhouse. This is Merly, by the way, and welcome to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. I am working in the tomato greenhouse, and as I was pruning some of my tomatoes, I saw some stuff on the ground. See that? Lots of droppings, and some of them are still green, and this tells me that there is a tomato hornworm in this area. So if it was nighttime, I would bring my UV flashlight and shine a light on the tomatoes, and I should be able to see the tomato hornworm really easily with a UV light. But since it is daytime, I will just check the leaves, and usually these tomato hornworms have the same color as your plant, so it's kind of hard to spot them. So I would just follow the droppings and look for the green, because the green droppings are the newest droppings from the hornworm. And voila, the guy is here. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Look at this guy. He's like, he looks so grumpy. He's like, oh, I've been found. Look at that. So now, usually if it's on a leaf, I would just cut off the leaf. But this one has a fruit. There is no way I'm going to remove that fruit. We're not going to sacrifice a fruit. This is really, it's gross. Alright guys, I'm being crazy here, but ooh. Just try to, it's so, the body is so soft. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so big. If I had chickens, my chickens will go crazy with this tomato hornworm. But I got no more chickens. So I'm just going to get rid of this myself. Alright, I'm not sure if there's more. I mean, that's a big one already. It's possible that it's the only one that's in here. But it's also possible that there is another one. Because look at all of the damage. I have another reduced tomato plant right there on the field that got all eaten. Even the little, you know, tiny suckers were eaten. So that tomato needs replacing because it won't grow anymore. Like, the last chance for it to grow back is already gone, eaten by the tomato hornworm. Alright guys, let me take care of this silly goof tomato hornworm. I'm probably not gonna show that anymore. I actually have an older video where I showed how to unalive the tomato hornworm. Yeah, you check on that video and see how I did it. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.